My room looks so aesthetic. Time to go pee. Xoxo!
I've always known a little bit since I was a little kid. Love is gonna come, and when it comes we'll see like different, but we never stop bickering.
Oh my goodness. Good morning everyone. It's actually not morning time, but I'm gonna be doing like a morning routine, but more of a like what I do when I wake up kind of routine. I actually don't really even have a routine, but I'm basically vlogging. I don't feel like doing like a full vlog in my day, so I'm gonna be doing like a morning routine type thing, even though it's not morning. It's March 29th. My birthday was 4 days ago, and I didn't film anything for my birthday. I didn't do much for my birthday, so I didn't really want to vlog it, but all I did was just stay home, invite my friends over, and my brother and my cousin, and we basically just played poker and watched movies. Nothing crazy, because obviously my birthday is during COVID, so I just didn't feel like having like a big crowd somewhere, like, you know, or just like really traveling. I was just fine with being home. Honestly, I kind of dread my birthday every year. I'm just that person that like, I love my birthday, but I don't want to spend too much time celebrating it. I like attention, but I don't like that much attention. Anyways, I look really crusty. I'm just gonna be home today. I've honestly been out so much since the weather in Minnesota has gotten nicer. I've been taking so many pictures, and today I kind of just wanted to take the day to just rest, just kind of take care of errands at home that I haven't been focusing on, like doing the dishes, cleaning my room, because my room is kind of messy. But I also just went furniture shopping recently, so I bought so many cool stuff. But yeah, I am 20 years old now, and it's kind of cool, you know. My age is finally in the 20s, but it's not that big of a deal to me. I still feel like I'm 18, to be honest, but that was 2 years ago, which is crazy. It's actually 12:44 right now. I wake up really late every day. I wake up like around 12. I'm definitely not a morning person. Waking up early is not something I like to do. But yeah, I just woke up and I kind of just wanted to, you know, just update you guys on what's been going on. I'm really excited to show you guys how my room is kind of looking right now. I'm gonna do like a proper room tour soon, because I feel like my room is complete to the best of my abilities. I mean, I honestly could do more, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just gonna be leaving my room the way it is right now. Anyways, I'm talking so much. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna go and prepare some kind of breakfast or something. My room looks so aesthetic. Let's go brush my teeth. By the way, guys, I'm not naked. I am wearing a pajama set. Okay, so when I wake up in the mornings and I brush my teeth and I go pee and stuff, I really like to listen to music. So I'm gonna play some music. Time to go pee. Xoxo!
For you, baby, all night long. Yeah, I do it for you, baby. No, no. 네가 어디 건한 건 두야. My heart is
Okay, so I'm gonna do my skincare. The toner I'm using is the April Skin, I don't know, their Artemisia Rice Essence Toner. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I just pour it onto this cotton pad. Then I'm gonna use the Super Sicca Ampoule by Medicube. I don't have my contacts in or anything right now, so I can't really see. Then I'm gonna use my Medicube Blue Erasing Cream. This is their moisturizer, and it's very thick. But yeah, I actually woke up like around 11, but I stayed in bed. And then I like to finish off with some deodorant. I like using the Dove Advanced Care. This is like their dry spray one. I like to use this because it's just so easy. The people who don't have to wear deodorant, I am jealous. I need to take out some meat. Okay, our kitchen is so messy right now. Tilapia or salmon? Salmon. Okay, so I just took out some salmon. Y'all are probably like, why is she wearing the headband? This is the only headband I have that fits my head really good, and like it just sits up here and doesn't fall. And people are like, what is with that headband? I'm just here like, it's just comfortable. What the heck? I took out some salmon. I had some from my last meal prep. Also, I got a lot of comments saying like, I hope she's not starving herself, because you guys saw like the portion of my meal prep and stuff. Guys, like that portion, it looked really tiny, but like when I eat it, I actually get full. And then I eat like fruits after too, which makes me even more full. I've made meal preps with that exact recipe so many times, and I've just kind of learned what portion or what proportion what works with my stomach, because usually I go overboard and then I can barely even finish it. Just a disclaimer, because I promise y'all I am not starving myself. It is impossible for me to just starve myself, because I think about food 24/7. I gotta do my roots again because they're growing right back. I grow hair really fast. That kind of sucks, because then I can't really maintain my blonde for long because my hair just kind of grows out. I'm gonna throw in some contacts. So today I have to obviously make something to eat, and then I'm gonna clean my room and stuff and do the laundry, because I have not done the laundry for a fat minute. Oh my god, I put it in the wrong eye. Fun fact, I've been wearing contacts since like 7th grade. Your girl is blind, but like not super blind. I don't know. I'm like a -3. Also, I have a lot of scars, by the way. These are not like active pimples. They're just scars. These scars really gotta go. I like to throw all my little blankets off to the side. Is it just me, but I really like to sleep on my back? So when I wake up, I literally, like my bed could literally look exactly like this, because I don't really move a lot when I sleep. But thank God, because that just makes making my bed so much easier. Like when I get out of bed and I throw the blanket over, that's what makes it look messy. Weird flex or whatever. In case you guys are wondering what I got for my birthday, my boyfriend got me this blanket with the picture of us, and he got me like this really cute necklace. Jewel got me these earrings from Swarovski. I can't really pronounce it. This is the necklace Danny got me, and it's just this really cute silver necklace, and it has like a Gucci logo on it, which is really cute. I don't own anything from Gucci, so that was sweet of him. My girl Nat got me this necklace from Tiffany & Co. And then Adora got me this really cute purple purse. I think it's in my closet, but yeah, that's basically what I got for my birthday, and I am so grateful. Also, Danny got me these socks. Y'all see this sock, guys? It's like a cat paw, and then bam, I freaking love it. I am in the kitchen, so I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I think I'm just gonna eat toast with Nutella. I only grabbed the ones in the middle. Oh my god, these bread are really big. I like to keep it at like 3.5. Alright, so I'm gonna be eating bread with Nutella, and then I'm gonna add some oranges, because your girl loves oranges. Those are my favorite fruits. Y'all can see how full our fridge is right now, just because we just celebrated my birthday. I'm just gonna be eating this orange. So I like to cut my oranges like this, so I cut the sides off, and then I just basically cut around the middle piece. Y'all, my bread got freaking burnt because it didn't toast around the edges, so I put it in longer, and then now it's burnt. So we've got the stuff here. I gotta put Nutella on my toast. Hazelnut spread with cocoa. Shar said cocoa last time. I'm like, girl, it's cocoa, not cocoa. Oh my god, that is so much Nutella. No. so while I eat, I'm gonna watch some TV. I've been really obsessed with Penthouse, and I'm already like finished with Penthouse 1, and I'm completely up to date with Penthouse 2. So I'm really excited to watch the new episodes because I think they air new episodes on Viki on the weekends. I'm literally just waiting, and I'm so freaking excited because Penthouse is honestly one of the best dramas I've ever watched. I feel like they have everything: romance, murder, mystery, comedy, everything, literally everything. The show is so good and I recommend it. But if you guys have any K-drama recommendations, let me know because honestly I've watched so many, but you know, who knows, what if I missed some? I'm gonna watch Big Time Rush. And Shar is now awake. I'm vlogging. Oh, it's like it smells funny inside the house. Oh. Y'all know Big Time Rush? Like the characters are from Minnesota. Period. It is now time to do the laundry. Alright guys, I'm gonna answer some emails. So you guys know that I've been wanting to make merch since forever. Initially I was gonna make merch last year, but then I thought about it and I was just like, honestly, I don't wear t-shirts or hoodies much. I don't really wear things that come from merch, and so I decided that I wanted to create my own actual clothing line. I feel like I just mentally wasn't ready for that kind of like responsibility and that load, but now I feel like I am, and so that's kind of what's been on my mind recently. I'm so excited, and these pieces will definitely be more personalized. They're not going to be merch, but more so my designs that I really like, and I'm just really hoping that it'll come out either before or during summer because y'all know I really just wear summer clothes. So I want clothes that make me feel confident so that when you guys wear it, you guys feel confident. Hi guys, so I've literally been on my computer and just working on basically my clothing line because that's what I want to come out with. I've been working on that for like 3 hours. It's really happening. Anyways, that is basically like a morning with me or a day in my life, like a morning routine kind of thing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is like the first video in a really long time where I'm literally not wearing any makeup. My skin is so crusty. Y'all could tell I'm literally such an oily person. Oh my goodness. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that long. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little chill video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And make sure to turn on my post notification bell so you guys literally never miss a video. Anyways, I love you guys and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Since I was a little kid, love is gonna come, and when it comes we'll see like different, but we never stop bickering. The flame is barely flickering. Maybe it's me, I need to learn to be considerate. We need to scream, we need to shout, we need to fight.